In this video, you'll learn how to use Google Tasks to manage your daily to-dos in a simple, organized way. We'll walk through how to structure your lists, highlight what's most important, and connect your tasks with your calendar so they actually get done. By the end, you'll have a clear system you can use every day without feeling overwhelmed. Let's start with organizing your tasks using lists. Open Google Tasks either from the mobile app or the side panel in Gmail or Google Calendar. At the top, you'll see an option to create a new list. Tap that and give your list a clear, simple name. For example, you might create one list called work, another called personal, and another called groceries. And you can name them whatever fits your life best, but try to keep them thematic. The idea here is that each list represents a category or area of your life. When you're working, you focus on your work list. When you're at home or on the weekend, you focus on your personal list. If you're heading to the store, you open your groceries list. This separation keeps everything from blending into one long, overwhelming list. Within each list, start adding the tasks that belong there. In your work list, that might be things like finish project report or email client. In personal, it could be call the dentist or do laundry. For groceries, you'll add the items you need to buy. Just keep it straightforward and specific so you know exactly what needs to happen. Next, let's talk about starring your most important tasks. In each list, you'll notice a small star icon next to every task. Tap the star on your most critical must-do today items. These are the things that, if you only got a few tasks done, would matter the most. Starring tasks is powerful because it gives you a way to filter out the noise. Instead of scanning through every single item across all your lists, you can simply go to your starred view. This shows you only the tasks you've marked with a star, regardless of which list they're in. Use this view when you're planning your day or when you feel overwhelmed and just want to see what truly matters right now. Now, let's move into scheduling and time blocking. There's a helpful phrase to remember here. A task without a date is just a wish. If you want something to actually happen, you need to tell your system when it should happen. When you create or edit a task, look for the option to add a date and time. Tap that, choose the day, and if you can, set a specific time. As soon as you add a date and time, that task will automatically appear on your Google Calendar. This turns your to-do into a real-time block on your schedule, which makes it much more likely you'll follow through. Use this especially for tasks that take longer or require focused attention, like writing a report, studying, or running errands. By placing these tasks on your calendar, you're not just hoping to find time, you're actually reserving time for them. Put together, your lists keep things organized, stars help you focus on what matters today, and dates and times connect your tasks to your real schedule. Start with just a couple of lists, star a few key tasks, add dates to the most important ones, and build from there.